We're here today on a sad day, a day of the passing of Rodger, our beloved bird. Here in attendance on Monday the 13th of November, 12th of November, we have in present Skylar Peterson.
He died in the morning.
He died in the morning. We also have Rosie, beloved partner, soulmate and lover. Have you got anything to say, Rosie, about the passing of your friend? It's very sad, isn't it? And here we have Rodger. Poor Rog.
He died.
He had a great life, Rog.
He died.
So many loving and memories
But
that we share of Rodger. And here we have the burial site, the last resting place of Rog. Poor Rosie has lost a partner in life.
He makes me cry. Stop.
It's a very sad day for all involved. So, to our beloved Rodger, do we have any more things to say? We love you, Rog. Rest in peace. Love you, Rog. Bye, mate. Oh. Bye. Love you, Rog.